So we are having pre-operative rounds for a patient who has come to us from Dubai, and she is here to get operated for multiple fibroids along with adenomyosis along with endometriosis. What should we remember as doctors? Endometriosis and fibroids normally go hand in hand. That is one thing. Endometriosis as a disease along with adenomyosis and fibroids can be a very painful disease for a patient. Third, we must always do a detailed fibroid mapping when a patient has multiple fibroids, because if the total number of fibroids are more than 5, we need to explain the patient that the rate of recurrence for the fibroids is going to be much higher. We also need to do a good endometriosis ultrasound to find out if the patient is having any form of deep endometriosis or not. And simultaneously, when we look at adenomyosis, we should be in a position to tell the patient if they require adenomyomectomy or if they require microwave ablation surgery. Once these three things are done, it is important that the patient is given bowel preparation, because having an empty bowel when you operate on a grade 4 endometriosis patient is going to be your game changer. Apart from this, take procedure specific consents. Never compromise on a procedure specific consent. We have very extensive consents, as you know, and sometimes people really feel that why are you making us sign so many documents? Still go and get those documents signed. There has to be a procedure specific consent for fibroids, for deep endometriosis, for microwave ablation, for ureteric procedures, for bowel procedures, and the patient should know about it for sure. Important to counsel that in the post-operative stage, this lady will be able to go back to Dubai within 4 days of the surgery. In fact, we have already told her that we are going to be discharging her within 24 to 36 hours of the procedure. Apart from this, pain relief for an adenomyosis patient post-ablation is going to be close to 95 to 98%. Almost all the fibroids are going to be taken out simultaneously. Endometriosis, once it has been excised off completely, the rate of recurrence for endometriosis would go down to less than 5%. Patient can attempt a fertility after 2.5 to 3 months of getting this surgery done. And these pre-operative points have to be told in great detail to the patient and the husband. All of them have to sign, anesthesia fitness to be obtained, and only then the patient to be taken up for surgery. One final 5 seconds. Very important to do good counseling for estimated cost of surgery. Never forget that.